Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bhojpuri actress Mona Lisa. So today I did her song and the song name is Barish Mein Jawan Bhai Badu, and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Mona Lisa in this video. So, बारिश में जवान मेघबाड़ू भोजपुरी song featuring Mona Lisa is one of the classical commercial Bhojpuri number that perfectly blends sensuality, romance, and mass entertainment. The song uses the backdrop of rain as a metaphor for youthful emotion and physical attraction, a theme that Bhojpuri cinema has explored many times, but this track stand out mainly because of Mona Lisa's strong screen presence and confident performance. From the very first frame of the creates a bold, vibrant mood where rain, music, and movement come together to heighten the visual appeal. The picturizations is deliberately glamorous, focusing and expressive body language, close-up shots, and slow motion rain effect that add intensity to the overall presentation. Mona Lisa completely dominate the screen in the song. Her expression, dance movement, and comfort in front of the camera elevate the track far beyond average rain song. She carries the boldness of lyrics with easy without appearing force, which one is her biggest strength as a performer. Her confidence and mature screen time is image make the song visually engaging, especially for audience who enjoy glamorous Bhojpuri music videos, and the choreography is not overly complex, but it's designed in a way that highlights Mona Lisa expressions and attitude, making every move feel international and impactful. The rain soaked visual costume and lighting further enhance the sensual tone of the song, giving it a cinematic feel despite being a typical commercial number. Musically, the song follows the familiar Bhojpuri formula of catchy beat and easy to remember the lyrics. The rhymes is energetic yet smooth, making it suitable for repeated listening and dance performance. The lyrics focus on youth attraction and emotional excitement, which resonate strongly with the core Bhojpuri audience. While the song may not offer deep poetic meaning, it succeeds in what aims to deliver pure entertainment. The singer's vocal delivery adds a playful and teasing tone which matches the visual perfectly and keeps the song engaging throughout its duration. What the truly work in favor of Barish Mein Jawan Bhai Badu is its replay value. The combination of Mona Lisa popularity, rain-based glamour, and a catchy tune make it a song that people often revisit on YouTube and social media platform. It appeals especially on to follows fans and bold Bhojpuri song and who enjoy visually rich dance oriented track. Even today the song continue to be discussed and shared, proving its lasting impact within Bhojpuri music space. Overall, Barish Mein Jawan Bhai is a strong example of commercial Bhojpuri music. Done right, it may not aim for artistic depth or innovation, but it delivers exactly what it promises: glamour, energy, and mass appeal. Mona Lisa's powerful screen presence is the soul of the song, turning it into a memorable rain theme number that remains popular among Bhojpuri music lovers. बारिश में जवानी गाड़ू is a Bhojpuri song that perfectly represents the bold, expressive, and commercial-driven side of Bhojpuri music and cinema, and its long-lasting popularity is largely credited to the magnetic screen presence of Mona Lisa. The song uses rain not just a visual element but as emotional, sensual trigger that intensifies and theme of youth, desire, and romantic excitement from the very beginning. The mood is set with dramatic lightning, slow motion, and rain shoots, and atmosphere that immediately pulls the viewer into a world of heightened emotions. The picturizations clearly aim to create a strong visual impact, and it succeeds by blending glamour with traditional Bhojpuri aesthetics. Mona Lisa performance is a backbone of this song. She brings confidence, maturity, and unapologetic boldness that very few actors in Bhojpuri cinema can deliver so effortlessly. Her expression communicate far more than the lyrics. Each alone glance, smile, and movement reflect the playful yet provocative the song rather than relying solely on dance steps. Mona Lisa uses body language and facial expression to convey the essence of the track, which make her performance feel natural and commanding. The range so costume design combined with fluid choreography further implies her screen appeal and turn the song into a visual spectacle. Her comfort in front of camera ensured that the boldness never feel awkward or forced, which is why audience remains captivated even after multiple viewing. From the musical perspective, the song follows a tried and tested Bhojpuri formula, but it executes it effectively. The beat rhythmic and instantly catchy, making it a song suitable for DJ playlist, stage performance, and festive gathering. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.